Hello everyone, thank you for joining me once again today. This is a continuation video. The first area of specialization have been introduced in previous videos. If you haven't watched them, kindly do. If you have subscribed, thank you. If you haven't, please do. And don't forget to share this video with families and friends. It can help someone who doesn't understand the language yet. The second area of specialization is Berufe rund und Druck on Medien. This is the first video in this area of specialization. More videos are going to come. And I'll be discussing the first area of specialization, the first career path under this area of specialization. That is assistanting for informatic, MEDIENINFORMATIK, assistant for information technology under the area of media information technology. This duration is 2 to 3 years. The duration for this training is 2 to 3 years, depending on how you take it, full time or part time. And it's a Beruf factual Beruf. It's a Beruf factual Beruf. The description for this, that is, what do they do? They're assistants in the area of media information. They work in the auto software and they implement design specification. They select languages, they process raw data, and they participate in video sequences in multimedia products. For example, they can integrate images, sounds, and animations together. They also develop multimedia databases and provide technical support for multimedia systems on network. Where do they find employment? They find employment in hardware and software companies that are into multimedia production, for example, advertising agencies, or they publish films, they have film studios, or television companies that are into the data processing services with software for television companies, for film studios, and advertising agencies. So that is what they do in this career. That is where you can find an employment. Do you need a certificate? Yes, you do. If you have anything lower than your Mittlere Abschluss or your Hochschulreife, you won't be accepted into this. You need your Mittlere Abschluss, that's intermediate level education, and your university qualification. These are the two certificates that are being accepted. So anything lower than this, you can't get into this career path except you have something higher than what the certificates needed. If you need further information, write us in the comments section if you have questions. If you need further information, feel free to contact us. We are here for you. Don't forget, don't give up on careers because only you can stop. This is the second career in this area of specialization. The second area of specialization, that's Berufe rund und Druck on Medien. The second career path is Buchbinderin, that's a bookbinder. The duration is 3 years and it's an anerkannte Ausbildung. It's a recognized training. What do? They design book binding products for special or machine production. They design book binding products for special manual binding or machine production. They check the customer's requirements. They look at the quality, the cost effectiveness before they go into the book production. That is what they do. They are into the production of book binding processes, and they document their results as well. Where do they find employment? They find employment in printing shops. They find employment to big companies that are into printing processes generally. So, do you need a certificate? Yes, you do need a certificate. The certificate you need to get into this is a Hochschulreife, that is your university qualification, and your Realschulabschluss, that's the secondary school leaving certificate. Anything lower than this, you won't be accepted. Anything higher than this, yes, it's a plus. But if you don't have the certificate, you won't be accepted into this vocational training. Don't forget, the duration is 3 years. It's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf, and they are mainly into the production of book binding for special or machine production. That's what they are into. If you need further information, feel free to contact us. Write us in the comment section. Don't share with families and friends. It can help someone who doesn't understand the language yet. And don't forget, only you can stop you. Don't give up on your careers.